Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix unable to open link in Google. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your phone settings and then you need to press on apps. Once you press on apps, you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. Choose default apps and then on the top right, you should see three little dots. So what you need to do here is to press on these dots here. And then you should see, once you press on the dots, you should see reset app preferences. Press on reset app preferences and it should fix your problem. And also make sure that your Google Chrome is fully updated. So if you go to the Play Store and it says open, it's good. But if it says update, then update your app and then you should not be getting any issues. So yeah, that's basically it what I wanted to show you. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.